working on my wagon since the crack of dawn. Got my wide weenies and my zoomies on. I spend more money than I'd really planned. But I got a Dodge chassis for an easy ride. Got up and under magic for the mood inside. Don't care if I'm not a wealthy man, 'cause I'd rather be riding high in my super van. Doesn't matter if I ever win first prize, just to sit behind the wheel is paradise. People seem to know now who I am. From Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Illinois, all the little ladies love my pride and joy. Try to please me any way they can. Rolling around with me in my super van, riding high, riding high. I'd rather be riding high in my super van, riding high, riding high. I'd rather be riding high in my super van, riding high.
I gave a girl a ride in the wagon. She crawled in and took control. She was tired 'cause her mind was dragging. I said, get some sleep and dream of rock and roll. 'Cause like a princess she was laying there, moonlight dancing off her hair. She woke up and took me by the hand. She's gonna love me in my Chevy van, and that's alright with me. Her young face was like that of an angel. Her long legs were tan and brown. Better keep your eyes on the road, son. Better slow this vehicle down. 'Cause like a princess she was laying there, moonlight dancing off her hair. She woke up and took me by the hand. She's gonna love me in my Chevy van, and that's alright with me. I put her out in a town that was so small. You could throw a rock from end to end. A dirt road main street, she walked off in bare feet. It's a shame I won't be passing through again. 'Cause like a princess she was laying there, moonlight dancing off her head. She woke up and took me by the hand. We made love in my Chevy van, and that's alright with me. 'Cause like a princess she was laying there, moonlight dancing off her head. She woke up and took me by the hand. We made love in my Chevy van, and that's alright with me. 'Cause like a princess she was laying there, moonlight dancing off her head. She woke up and took me by the hand. We made love in my Chevy van.
I just pulled off the side of the road to take
country air. Sat on the side with my stereo on, watched you brush out your hair. I thought about the time that you came up to me and said, take me along for the ride. I realized how empty my travels would be without you right here at my side. Freewheeling. It seems like only yesterday I was playing life straight, just making my way. You were so young, you made me feel good. You taught me how to live like nobody else could. Freewheeling and easy, sharing our love in the back of a van. Freewheeling and breezy, living our lives while we can. Freewheeling. I never thought I could feel this way, loving each minute and living each day. Popping a beer out here under the stars, you and me in our van with a few friends of ours. Freewheeling and easy, sharing our love in the back of a van. Freewheeling and breezy, living our lives while we can. You were so young in the city, the day that I found you there, looking like a kid on the corner. I couldn't help but stare. I thought about the time that you came up to me and said, take me along for the ride. I realized how empty my travels would be without you right here at my side. Freewheeling, freewheeling and easy, sharing our love in the back of a van. Freewheeling and breezy, living our lives while we can.